A well-fortified NASA spacecraft flew through and survived an immense explosion from the sun. Scientists recently released rare footage of this solar event called a coronal mass ejection, or CME, which is the eruption of a mass of superhot gas, or plasma. It's like scooping up a piece of the sun and ejecting it into space, said Mark Miesch, a scientist with the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration Space Weather Prediction Center. This CME occurred in September 2022 and was one of the most powerful coronal mass ejections ever recorded. Fortunately, the space agency's Parker Solar Probe, fitted with a robust heat shield, is designed to withstand such intense bursts of radiation. The pioneering probe is closely investigating the behavior of the sun. Here's what you're seeing in the footage posted by the Johns Hopkins University Applied Physics Laboratory, a scientific collaborator on the solar probe. The actual sun isn't visible in the shot, but our star's location is shown on the left of the screen. At 14 seconds in, the CME becomes visible, shooting out from left to right. Then, bam! The probe then passes through the eruption and exits by the video's end. This was no small feat. In all, Parker spent roughly 2 days observing the CME, becoming the first spacecraft ever to fly through a powerful solar explosion near the sun. Scientists are using observations from the Parker Solar Probe along with other spacecraft and telescopes to better grasp the behavior of potentially destructive CMEs and other types of space weather, like solar flares, explosions of energy from the sun's surface. CMEs, for example, can endanger satellites, disrupt communications and navigation technologies, and even knock out power grids on Earth. In the coming years, observations from the Parker Solar Probe may help researchers better forecast where a potent ejection from the sun may hit Earth, allowing a country or region to better prepare, for example by temporarily shutting down the electric grid. For now, the mission continues. In 2024, the shielded spacecraft will hit a whopping 430,000 miles an hour as it comes within 3.9 million miles of the sun.